Hello everyone, welcome in the general knowledge class. Today's topic is energy sources. Myself Anju Chopra will explain you the different sources of energy. We will study there are many sources of energy is there. We need energy for doing many work like for running the industries at home, and in the hospitals, in schools. There are different sources of energy is there. The first is solar energy. We are getting the solar energy from the sun. All of you know, sun rays are coming. The sun is very hot. That energy of the sun is converted into electric energy with the help of the solar panels. So that is called the solar energy, means energy which we are getting from the sun, that is called solar energy. And the next one is the wind energy. So wind is also having energy. The energy which we are getting from the wind, that is known as the wind energy. Next one is the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy means energy which we are getting from the subsurface of the earth. That is known as the geothermal energy. The subsurface of the earth is very hot. That heat is carried with water or steam above the earth's surface, so that it is converted into the useful energy for doing various purpose. The next one is the hydropower. Hydro means water, power means energy. The energy which we are getting from the water is known as hydropower. All of you have listened or seen the dams. The dams are converting the water energy into useful electric energy with the help of turbines are there. Next one is tidal energy. So students, first of all, you must know what is tide. Tides are the rise and the fall of the seawater due to gravitational force exerted by the sun and moon. Due to gravitational force of sun and moon, the water of the sea, oceans are going up and falling down. So these are called tides. So energy which is produced with these tides, that is known as tidal energy. And the next one is the biomass. The energy which is produced by heating the biomass, that is known as heat energy. So what is biomass? Biomass is organic material that comes from plants and animals. It is renewable source of energy. Renewable means that cannot be depleted, means that source will not finish. That is known as renewable source of energy. So biomass contains store energy because the plants are also using the sunlight for making their food, that is called photosynthesis, and the animals are eating to the plants, so plants are also having energy and the animals are also having that sun energy. So when this biomass is burned, the heat is produced. These are different sources of energy: solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydropower, tidal energy, and biomass. Now we will study separately about each. The first one is the solar energy. The solar energy is the energy that we are getting from the sun. Look here in this image, I have shown this blue color. These are called solar panels. Solar panels are useful to convert the heat of the sun into electric energy. You have seen on the open areas above the rivers also the solar panels are there. So many solar panels are there, so that they can convert the sun's heat into useful energy. So that energy what we are getting from the sun, that is known as the solar energy. I have shown here with this image. It's very clear to all of you. Now let's see. The energy generated from the rays of the sun is called the solar energy. All of you know the heat sun is very hot. Too much heat is produced by sun. That heat we are using, converting and into useful energy. That energy is known as solar energy. Now next one is the wind energy. The wind energy, I'll show you these white color structures. These are called turbines. These white colors are called turbines, and these are the blades of turbines. All of you can see these three blades are there on every turbine. These blades of the turbines convert wind energy into electric energy. Where too much wind is there, on that places the turbines are arranged so that the wind energy is converted into electric energy. So wind energy, wind is having energy. That wind energy is made useful with the help of these turbines. These blades, they are always rotating. When wind is there, blades are rotating and converting the wind energy into electric energy. Now, energy generated from wind using machines called wind turbines is called wind energy. So clear to all of you, these turbines are used to convert the wind energy into useful energy, and that converted energy is called the wind energy. Now the next energy is the geothermal energy. All of you know that geothermal, already I have explained that subsurface means below the earth, very hot, so many gases are boiling there. The temperature is too much. So that heat will be carried up with the help of water or steam. That energy is known as geothermal energy. With this diagram clear to all of you, energy that is produced from beneath the earth is called geothermal energy. It is clean and environmental friendly. It's clean means it is not creating pollution. It is pollution free. No pollution is there. We can use this energy for various purposes. This is called geothermal energy. Now come to the next one, that is the hydropower. Hydropower means the energy that we are getting from the water. See, this is the structure of dam. When water is running or falling, it is having too much energy, and that energy is converted into electric energy with the help of the hydraulic turbines. In the dams, hydraulic turbines are placed here. When the shutters are open, the water is falling down with the pressure, and energy is there in this flowing water, and these turbines convert this water's energy into electric energy. So this is a structure of a dam which is producing hydropower. Now let's study energy that is generated from flowing river water through multi-purpose dams is called hydropower. So hydropower is the energy generated from water. That is the source of the energy is water. Now next is the tidal energy. Tidal energy, already I explained that what we are getting from the tides. Tides are created with the gravitational force of sun and moon. The water is going up and falling down, rising and falling. Sea water. So with this rise and fall, some energy is produced. See, this is the machines used to convert the tides energy into the tidal energy. These are arranged in the seas. Tidal energy uses the rise and fall of the tides to convert kinetic energy into electric energy. When anything is in motion, water is in motion, water is going up and falling down. When anything is moving, that energy is called the kinetic energy. The energy which the moving things are having, the things which are motion, that energy is called the kinetic energy. So when the sea water is going up and falling down, they are having kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is changed into electric energy. So this tidal energy is converted into electric energy. So energy generated due to the rise and fall of the sea water is called tidal energy. Now the next one is the biomass. Biomass. Student, what is biomass? Biomass is the material that come from, see here, plants, industrial waste, animals residue, and municipal solid waste and the sewage. See, these all waste from agriculture, sewage, municipal solid waste, animals residue. Animals residue means when animals are dying or their waste material, cow dung, like that. Industrial waste and the forest crops. In the forest and in the agriculture, plants are there, twigs are there, so many branches are waste material. These all waste is called the biomass. These all materials are the source of biomass. So these all things are having sun's energy. Plants are getting the sunlight to make the food, and animals are eating to the plants. They are having the sun energy, or other things are also having the energy. So when this biomass is burned, they produce energy, they produce heat, that is known as biomass energy. So let's study what it is. Energy which is produced from organic material like plants, crops, trees, wood chips, and animals waste is called biomass. So what is biomass? The waste material, the residue of plants, crops, trees, wood chips, and animals, and even municipal solid waste. This all is called biomass. So when biomass is burned, the heat is produced, the energy is produced. With this, your all different kinds of sources of energy is over. Now we will study some exercise, some unscramble the words to identify the source of energy. Some scramble words are there. You have to unscramble them. But these all words are different sources of energy, what we study in this chapter. The first one, second, there are different words are there. I'll show you. There are total 6 are there. So these are scrambled words. But this, when you will make them unscramble it, they are the names of sources of energy. So first one, I'll show you what it is. It is solar. Solar energy. Second one is, the answer of the second one is wind. Third, geothermal. Next one, hydropower. Next one, tidal. And the next one is biomass. See, these all are the sources of energy. When we unscramble, these are our answer, but these are the questions. From these questions, you have to unscramble so that they will become meaningful words of sources of energy. This you have to write in your copy. Next, infobites are there. In this chapter, some info bites are there. The first one, largest solar kitchen in India. Where is the largest solar kitchen in India? Students, the largest solar kitchen in India is in Maharashtra. That is Shri Sai Sansthan Prashadalaya, which is in Shirdi Sai Baba. There is Prashadalaya is there. There they are using the solar kitchen. That solar kitchen is pollution free, no pollution is there, and at that place 40,000 meals are prepared every day with the help of this kitchen, solar kitchen. So where is the largest solar kitchen in India? That is at Shirdi, Maharashtra. They are making 40,000 meals every day with the help of this solar kitchen. Now the next is the assignment for you. Do exercise of page number 19. Student, all of you are having the books now. So page number 19 you have to do in the book. You can take the help of this video. Some answers are already given, and learn different sources of energy. Learn this chapter and do this chapter exercise only in the book. I hope all of you understand this chapter. With this, it's over. Have a nice day. Thank you.